Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got yet another beautiful 250-gallon pit rolling out of shop today. This one going on man John. And I'll tell you what, John just picked out an absolutely gorgeous 250-gallon tank. Now, this is our patina finish, guys. And what that is, we're gonna take that wonderful patina that Mother Nature herself has put on this tank over the past 30 years. Hey, she worked hard on that. It'd be a crime to grind all that off, okay? So we leave it on there, clean it up a little bit, do all our metal work, and then do 3 coats, a high gloss clear coat. Really turned out sharp, kind of locks in that patina, and looks great. Now we do, of course, you can see all of our hand fabricated handles, hinges, counterweights, all 3-dimensional parts, welded, ground down smooth. Really kind of showcases all our fabrication skills. We've got a bunch of great guys in the shop. Now the counterweights are an add-on on the 250. Okay, makes the doors, I mean, I about yanked the whole smoker off picking them up, they're so light. Just makes it a breeze to open. Now, like on all of our tank smokers, guys, you get full sliding top racks there. And then the bottom racks are stationary. Now they are removable, so you can clean up underneath them. Does have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain to help you in cleaning it out. Now the fold down stack, that is standard. Every TMG tank smoker comes standard with a fold down stack. And it is on the single axle trailer package. Now guys, this is our standard trailer package for a 250, 3,500 pound axle. Got wood storage on the front and the tongue around the back. We'll check that out here in a second. We build all of our trailers in-house. We take pride in them, all right? Paint and gloss black, they all get sent off, get sandblasted, seam sealed, painted up slick, all LED lights. On the back here, we did do one add-on to the trailer package. That is our stainless steel prep table. So what that is, that'll unlock, fold up, get to all your wood storage underneath. When you're ready to go, fold that puppy down, lock her up, hey, prep off of it, serve off of it, sit down, take a break on if you need to. We got a spare tire up front. A lot of storage on this rig, guys. Oh, hold on, I didn't even talk about the firebox now. Got our fully insulated firebox. We'll open that sucker up. Guys, y'all know the deal. Holds heat extremely well. Just makes this thing a breeze to run. Got that wonderful octagon design that we come up with. Looks great. Air intakes on the door. Of course, some more of that 3-dimensional fabricated hinges, handles, door handle. Looks great, guys. Yeah, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.